I'd be lucky to catch 2 or 3 off 1 minute. Or our luck would probably be small bass.
That's probably more likely. No, my bobber's set too low. Probably 6 inches. Yeah. Not as much though. I'm gonna go ahead and risk it, walk all the way over here. See what happens. And the wind is blowing this way, which is going to push the bobber right back to me. So hopefully that doesn't mess with me too much. Here we go. Let's catch a big one, boys. Let's throw her back out there. That's the spot right there, close to that tree. Something was on there. I didn't take my minnow there. Should have put a couple in my pocket. Let's see. Get by that tree again. That's the spot. Let's throw it again. Keeps drifting away. You see the water coming this way. Let's throw it a little bit further then. Maybe that'll help. That tree again. That's where I need to be. If I could cast it right. Alright, here we go. Fish time. Wow. Little Mickey Mouse cast was that. Come on now. Put my purse down and throw it. Oh man. And I lost my minnow. Oh, almost got a stick. Dang it. Now I gotta walk all the way back over there. Son of a. Shoo, man. Should put a couple minnows in my pocket. You're still fishing, aren't you? You're still minnow fishing? Come on, you quick little suckers. Dump some of this water out. Oh, that's a nice little one there. Looking right underneath the mouth there. Make sure you lock your bucket up. And throw it back in the water. Alright. Let's just try it right here. And I'll go back over there later if I don't have any luck. That water's cold. Throw it back out. There we go. Come on, I'm gonna set the hook. Catch one at least. Hand getting cold because it's wet. And the waves are taking all my slack, pushing it down that way. I'm always afraid to set the hook too hard if it's a crappie, because they call them paper mouths. Their lips and stuff, they get ripped real easy. So you do got to be careful. There we go. There we go. There's something. Oh, it got off. Bluegill. I don't want to set the hook too hard, because if it is a crappie, you know, it'll rip it right out. No, it's so weird. The 3 videos on his YouTube channel are just how to get views, how to get likes, how to get subscribers. And every video he comments on, it's great job, or you deserve more subscribers. Or, it's weird to see somebody do that in a positive way, I guess. Alright, if you're all wondering what we're talking about with Tim, lately when I've been uploading videos, there's a guy named Tim on there who's been commenting positive stuff. You deserve more subscribers, great video, you know, stuff like that. Well, I watch YouTube a lot, so I happen to come across a lot of videos, and a lot of them had this Tim guy in there commenting something similar. Go to his channel, he's got 3 videos. They're all like video games playing in the background while he tries to say how to get subscribers, likes, views, whatever. But it's just weird. I'll put some pictures up right now so you can see what I'm talking about, and maybe you've seen his name somewhere as well. Maybe we can get to the bottom of this, who this Tim fella is, and you know why he keeps posting positive comments everywhere, which is a good thing. That's why I'm so weirded out about it, because that's not something you see every day on the internet. So maybe we could figure out who Tim is one of these days. Just throw a little bit further out. Hopefully you all can see that. Oh, there we go. That's something. Swimming like a bass. Oh, we got a gill. What do you think? Bother saving them, or? All right. We'll let him go, catch him another day. We know the minnows work. He's dark. All right, buddy. I'll eat you. One of these days, you'll be a nice little sandwich. Come on, minnow. My hook's a little big, really. All right, let's try it again. wasn't a very far cast, but I need my little pole. All these sticks and things around. There we go. It's out there if you can see it. Get all that off there. Nobody wants to eat that. Let's get her back. What the heck? Stupid line. Alright. We're ready to catch him now. Wasn't that nice? Lovely. Hey, yeah. Yeah. All right. I felt like my hand was too clean anyway. Let's throw it a little further out. Try to, oh, well, that didn't work. That's where a fish is, though. Get off my branch. Oh, there we go. Another boogie. Still got my minnow. Should have kept that other one. That'd been a decent little dinner with a side of corn or something. So you guys like fishing videos or nah? Not really? If not, what else you want me what else you want to see? What kind of videos? Because as soon as this cold weather stops, I mean it's tolerable today. Until every time I dip my hand in that minnow bucket, whew, it gets cold. But when you're fishing, it's a lot different than making a video reviewing something. Because I'll just be honest. Reviewing things on a tabletop ain't always the funnest thing to do. But when the weather gets better, I'll be coming down here like reviewing the Survivor Filter Pro X electric filter, cooking things up, catching fish and cooking them, a little camping, because I can go all up in these woods. It goes back far ways, there's the creeks. So I got lots planned. Oh, we got a lot more algae over here now, so we're not going to go over there. Wow, 2 minutes and completely changed that little spot. But now we're fighting the wind, so that bobber's going to be coming towards us. I'm going to take a slight break and let my hands get warm. They're cold. Alright, we're going to move to the top. Probably catch some bass up there.
Well, Clayton England, he was fishing up here the other day. Caught a bass about the same size I did on minnows. Light came back. He's on this end.
Yeah, they got good bass in there. Ain't no crappie.
Well, I'd bring a Rubbermaid tub sometime and transport them down here.
Oh, let's see what am I going to do. Number one, grab a towel. I want my hands getting all cold again. I don't like it. Grab the minnows, grab my pole, and walk over here to this other side and see what happens. I'll see you when we get there. Man, something's going on here. Oh, I can't turn the GoPro off. Well, that's interesting. Of course. Fish on. Well, I hope it's recording, guys. If not, that sucks. Get back here. Slippery little fellas. Two fish. Oh. Yeah, I figured we'd catch a bass. Yeah. We wouldn't starve. Dang. Crappie. Yeah. Man, I don't even know if it's working now. I don't know if I got that bass on video though. Or yours. What's up, guys? I just got back home, checked over my footage to see what the GoPro ended up recording because it messed up on me. I'm not sure what was going on, but it might be done for, so I have to get a new one, and they're not cheap, so that probably won't happen for a while because, you know, it's just not important right now. But I was also trying to record with my phone. It was full. I went through and deleted some stuff, so I will be able to use my phone like a GoPro, which might be even better, who knows. But I just wanted to tell you that, and I got most of the fish that I caught on video. My dad got a really nice bass. I'll add a photo in here of that. And that'll basically be it. And I want to thank you for watching as always. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what the deal is. And remember to stay healthy, stay positive, stay safe, and stay prepared.